Hey guys, doing a quick video shoot. I don't have my tripod holder right now, but this is the Motown Missile. I use the Johan vintage kit, the Cuda. Front wheels are by Slixx, as is the decals. You see inside in there, it's Simpson belts. You use the red ones, I know that. Let me give her a spin here. Sorry for this kind of backwoods type of video shooting, but I haven't got many up lately, so I just wanted to shoot this real quick. My grandson will be coming in the door, and, well, you heard Benji last time. The nicknames that dog is Can't Get Right. I swear, that boy is nuts. But my mom is sitting over there. She's hanging in there like a hair in a biscuit, man. That doctor called hospice in here, and I think they got here a bit early. She's letting them down. There's a Hemi. Look at that. Look at them wiring, boys. 16 plugs and boots with 2 coil packs. You go wiring that bad boy up, man. This is the Slixx and Martin kit, so if you built the old Johan kit, this is what you're up against if you're going to wire one. And good luck with that, hoss. Let me flip her upside down here. Love the headers in this kit. That engine's killer. But there you go. I was going to use some wrinkle-walled Slixx on it, but they were too big. I thought they would have looked wicked on the back. But anyways, that's that. There's your Motown Missile. Fine car. I like this. I seen it run back in the day. My dad drag raced. He used to see it up at Norwalk, Dragway 42. Seen it run at Columbus Trail Speedway at National. And Bristol, Tennessee. But I think the Grumpy got him in that round. And then Slixx and Martin got Grumpy that day. Hey, what's up next? Glad you asked. Never built this kit. Got it on a trade, so I thought, what the heck? It's the run of the original 66 Barracuda, the Hemi under glass. I gotta put some sponsored decals on it. It don't come with them. It's just the basic right there. You got Hemi under glass. Something Michigan or somewhere like that. But it's the AMT kit. It's like any older flopper body type car. There's the Hemi I got going. I put that blower on twice, man, guys. It goes backwards. But got the engine wired, tranny up on it. Not much on the body. This body flips right off of it. The hood don't even open up because the engine's back here in the back. That's all paint. It don't come with striped decals or nothing else in this kit, so you gotta be ready to shoot it. Or I almost bought some gold plain decal paper, clear. I was gonna just spray it gold and cut the stripes out of it, because I mean there's so many on here, you could literally do that. But I thought, man, I got it. I might as well just flaunt it, and I shot it. So there you go. But that's pretty much it on that dude. So, anyways, again, guys, the big Barracuda, Hemi under glass, and Motown Missile. So, all right, I'll do a video of that Hemi under glass when I get her done. Get her done. I hope you guys are doing good. Sorry I ain't got the videos up lately, you guys. It's heavy here, man. I got a lot of pressure here going lately. And worrying about my mama too, so. And my grandson, he's getting ready to come home the door. He'll come through that door. And between him and Benji, he usually ends up winning. But Benji gives him a run for the money. But you guys take care. I'll holler at you later before the barking starts and the madness gets here. Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models. You guys need any help, tips, tricks, anything? You know what to do. Hit me up. Leave me a comment down there. Thumbs up, something, thumbs down, and it's up to you. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.